Imprint. Parents imprint values on their children. Imprinted. The logo was imprinted on every box. Imprinted. Those memories had imprinted on her forever. Imprints. He imprints his identity in every creation. Imprinting. The machine is imprinting the tags automatically. Imprison. The court may imprison the accused for 5 years. Imprisoned. They imprisoned the rebel without a fair trial. Imprisoned. He had imprisoned his own emotions for too long. Imprisons. The dictator imprisons all who oppose him. Imprisoning. The regime is imprisoning innocent civilians. Improve. You must improve your communication skills. Improve. She improved her handwriting within a month. Improve. His English had improved a lot since last year. Improves. Practice improves performance. Improving. He is improving his fitness every day. Inaugurate. They will inaugurate the new building tomorrow. Inaugurated. The president inaugurated the cultural festival. Inaugurated. The hall had been inaugurated last year. Inaugurates. The mayor inaugurates the park next week. Inaugurating. He is inaugurating his art exhibition today. Incise. Surgeons incise the skin before operation. Incised. The artist incised designs into the wood. Incised. The bone had been incised for study. Incises. He incises shapes with extreme precision. Incising. The machine is incising patterns on metal. Include. Please include your name in the email. Included. He included me in the team meeting. Included. The topic had been included last year too. Includes. The package includes free delivery. Including. She's including everyone in her birthday celebration. Increase. We need to increase our productivity. Increased. Prices increased after the announcement. Increased. The budget had increased slightly last year. Increases. The company increases salary every year. Increasing. Pollution is increasing in big cities. Inculcate. Parents try to inculcate good habits in kids. Inculcated. The teacher inculcated discipline in her students. Inculcated. These values had been inculcated since childhood. Inculcates. He inculcates respect in his team members. Inculcating. She's inculcating leadership in young athletes. Indent. Always indent the first line of a paragraph. Indented. He indented the lines manually. Indented. The text had been indented for clarity. Indents. The software automatically indents the code. Indenting. She is indenting the notes neatly. Indicate. The signs indicate a wrong turn. Indicated. She indicated the problem clearly. Indicated. The results had indicated a major error. Indicates. His face indicates disappointment. Indicating. The arrow is indicating the correct route.